The Lenovo has unveiled new 2024 Legion Y700 gaming tablet. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The company has revealed many aspects of the new gaming tablet. And tablet will feature a large vapor chamber cooling system, which would let the SoC offer stable performance under load. The Lenovo Legion Y700 2024 tablet can deliver an average of 59.8 FPS while playing 3D turn-based mobile games and resolution of 1600 by 2560 pixels, and the average power consumption is 8.8 watt. The new gaming tablet can offer an average of 50. The new gaming tablet features the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. The new gaming tablet can offer an average of 59.9 FPS in RPG open world mobile games, while the Genshin Impact, which is a pretty demanding Android game, can play at a resolution of 1080 by 1728 pixels and the average power consumption at 9.5 watt. And compact mobile games on the Lenovo Legion Y700 gaming tablet can deliver an average of 59.9 FPS at a resolution of 1440 by 2304 pixels. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.